Hello everyone, my name's David. Today I want to talk to you about my barn find 1970 El Camino. Back around 1983 I was reading the newspaper. I was looking for a snowmobile and I found one. It's a couple hours away, and when I went out there, I'm walking through the guy's barn heading towards the snowmobile, and I found this 1970 El Camino. And anyway, I think I arranged to buy it for about $2,000, and the snowmobile and the El Camino, and he trailered it to my garage. It didn't look like this. It was in need of restoration. It didn't have a drivetrain in it. The first week that I had it, I called GM and I ordered brand new full quarters, brand new front fenders, 4 new inner fenders, and I wanted the car as mint as I could get with just about 0 body fill, and that's the way that turned out. Okay, then my next problem was trying to find the drivetrain for it, and this will be interesting to the person that owns it right now. It was only a few blocks away from me, and I remember a 1970 Monte Carlo parked for a few years. I knocked on the door. I said, "Would you want to sell it?" The lady said, "I would love to. It's a big gas guzzler. I've been telling my husband to get rid of it." I said, "Geez, can I take a look at it?" I popped the hood, and it was an original 402. I bought the whole thing for $200 and had it towed back. So now I had the complete date code, engine, transmission, all the brackets for it that fit perfectly in here. It even had black bucket seat interior, the same as my Camino, but it had a power driver's seat, which was super rare. So I put it in, and that whoever has the car now, that's one way to identify it, to see if it is this one. And while I had it apart in the restoration, I had the complete underneath sandblasted and epoxy painted, and then I had it painted in this color. Originally it was Shadow Mist Gray, but the blue really appealed to me, and it was a GM truck blue, and I had it clear coated, and that's the way it is. That was I think I finished restoring it around 1986. I kept the car until around 1997. I sold it to a friend of mine, and then he sold it to somebody in Carlisle. So hopefully if you're the person that bought it, this will really appeal to you. And by the way, if you ever want to sell it back, let me know. I will include 3 of the last 3 numbers of the serial number in the ad to help you identify it. The other thing, this car is super rare. I converted it and I put power windows, power door locks, tilt and cruise in it, all working. So, and it also has a padded vinyl roof. So the car is, when it was sold, was pretty much a show car. So, anyway, that's my barn find, 1970 SS El Camino. I hope everyone enjoyed that.